We understand that nowadays the kitchen is the heart of the home, and our focus is to ensure we create a space that you and your family can enjoy for many years to come. My name's Ilan Elberg and I'm the Managing Director at GIA Bathrooms and Kitchens. So I started the business 10 years ago now. I've been in a family that's always been involved in construction, and I saw a real gap in the market with the challenges that people were having with tradesmen that either don't show up or they're hard to deal with, just making the whole construction process quite challenging. So for me, it was just there's got to be a better way that we can do this and actually make the experience enjoyable and something that people actually want to do. At GIA, we focus on renovating kitchens, bathrooms and laundries in residential spaces. Our focus is really making sure that it's a customer-focused experience, so we're going above and beyond whatever requests our clients have. There's no standard way that we do things. We understand that they're looking for a unique and custom transformation, and they want the experience to accommodate their needs. So whatever that is, we do our very best to accommodate that throughout the process. We have our own in-house interior design team that creates the designs for all of our customers. We have a carefully selected construction team who ensure that the quality of your renovation is carried out to the highest standard. By working with us, you ensure that one company takes care of your whole process from start to finish. I often tell clients that what we offer is the red carpet experience of renovating. Day one, we turn up, we make sure that your home's protected. You've got a site supervisor that's there to discuss any of your concerns or any of your questions. And we really try to make sure that the process is an enjoyable one rather than the usual dreaded experience of renovating. What makes us unique is that we provide customers with a customized and unique solution. There's no standards that they have to select from. We go above and beyond to accommodate any vision or dream that they have, something that they've envisaged that they want to have in their room. We'll do our best to create that for them. Thanks for reaching out. One of our team members will get in touch shortly to discuss your job and see how we can help you.